Alright, we're here today. We're pulling out the rear speakers on the SC. We started taking out the back seat and the trunk, and we're replacing them with my old kicker speakers that were in my old IS. Because this dude has some blown speakers. And the Bose covers from my G, I'm gonna try and put these in because it'll look a little bit more cool with these and those. Get the back part out. That was like moving a couch through a tight door because we can only move this door open so much with the side skirts. So we had to fucking bend it to get it out. Oh, these things are gonna fucking break. Sitting in this bucket seat is making me miss having a bucket seat in my car. I'm fucking planted in here. I think I want to get some Nismo Juke seats.
Wiring.
We took my back seats out. We don't even need to take my back seats out to do my speakers, but we did it.
Yeah.
It just makes it so I can hunker in like a goblin.
One side's out, and we're gonna get them both like prepped, and then we're just gonna rip the other side out and put it in.
So the thing is Tyson's Bose speaker covers are too small, and there's nothing for them to mount in anyways, so I'm just gonna put in the old ones again. Really, another nasty. I'm gonna do my AC recharge.
Oh yeah, I wanted to do mine after you.
Yeah. Are you gonna do it in this bay?
I don't know. I'm gonna go
Pull up like right in front of us.
Try to do it in our bay, please.
Look at this lineup right here.
Break this crimp on camera right now. Good crimp.
Big crimp. Big crimp in there.
See if I remember my AC connection.
So much plastic. It's all quick release.
Oh, it wouldn't be on there if it wasn't quick release. No.
I think there might be one over here. I see the lines.
So I know there was one that was like upside down.
Upside down?
Yeah, it was one that was in a really weird spot.
Might be over here. And here's this connector for it right here. Is that a hookup? There's a low back here.
So low's back there.
And high. Right there, you can kind of see it.
Because if I remember right, we didn't actually do
Follow
my
the
AC
lines.
recharge of Valvoline because we could not find the high side. Could not find it.
See the line. Skinny line. Right there, right below your hand. They both come out the firewall, come up here. The low point's just right there. The high's up here. Yeah, because you probably had some cover there with your old bumper.
Yeah.
What'd you do here?
I made the little wiring stuff I need for the speakers. Negative, positive, and then all I gotta do is just crimp it inside the car and then connect it, and then it should be good. And just repeat for the next side. And these are bigger than what I had, but this base is too small, so I have like a goofy way I'm gonna lock it in, but other than that, it'll be good.
Sweet. You know what type of shit we on. Shit finna boom.
I'm gonna be your recorder while we're in here. Getting this one in right now. Just finished crimping the wires. This one's already all in. I'm gonna show them the little washer.
I told him there
right
was
here.
I told him there was a technique to it. It's like too small.
Yeah, but
The speaker's bigger, but the bass is too small.
it's in there now. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I don't know what that is.
probably from 20 years ago.
This guy had the Blue Man Group in here. Avarice sticker from the inside. Something they've never seen. Shirts tucked in. Shirts tucked in, repping the merch. Yes. Okay. Crazy camera angle right here.
Installation angle.
This is a how-to video now. Chris fix.
How to screw in 4 screws.
As you can see, you use your hands.
You use your hands until it's
Remember.
too tight.
Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Don't forget,
If you forget which way is right, use the finger method.
if you forget your fingers,
Tyson, we're filming how-to videos now.
okay, okay.
Okay. Just like that. Speaker installed.
No, I missed my marker. I think I also missed.
This was the worst part about doing it in the IS.
This shit. Nope. This is such a pain in the ass.
It's all back together. Fresh speakers in.